Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you to make a trail effects into the player. So I'm going to create a new object, trails. I'm just gonna check the sprite to player sprite, and then I'm gonna add event, step event. On the step event, I want the trail to slowly disappear. How you want this thing to slowly disappear? I want this to be, I want this trail to be slowly become smaller, and then slowly decreasing the opacity. So here we want this thing to be smaller every time. So image underscore what we got here, x scale and y scale. Make x scale equal to minus equal to 0.01. So image x scale is just the scale of the trails, and then the default scale is 1. So we want to minus it by 0.01 on every frame, so this thing will slowly decreasing the size. We want to do the same on the y scale, copy and paste, and then change the y, and then we want to see it. I'm gonna put it on the room. So I click here or click F5, and we will see this thing is slowly disappear. So you want to, this is slowly decreasing the opacity. So image underscore alpha minus equal 0.01. Alpha is the opacity for this trail. The default is 1, so we want to minus equal to 1. So press F5, and then we can see it slowly disappearing here. Yes, that's it. So we want this trail to spawn every I think every 0.2 seconds on the player, just like that. So before that, we want these trails to be destroyed after it disappear. If you know about programming, then I want to teach you this will disappear, but this thing is there, so we want to destroy it. If image underscore alpha equal to 0 less than or equal to 0, then we want to destroy. Instant destroy. We want to destroy this object, so it will not consume too much RAM. So we want these trails to spawn on the player. We want to click on player, then what we got here is every 0.2. If I think I'm gonna add event, create a new event called trail timer equal to room underscore speed. This will return the 60 frame. If we room speed multiply by 1, then it is 1 second. So we want it's a 0.2 seconds. So on the step event, I think I just gonna do a variable on default time where the tail timer will be decreasing, then the default, you want to change it to the default. So I think the timer just like that. Okay, on the step event, I'm going to set it if the timer we want to decreasing the tail timer every frame. Tail timer minus. That means tail timer equal to this, also same with equal to tail timer minus 1. So it will decrease the tail timer by 1 every frame. So if tail timer less than or equal to 0, then we want to spawn the tail. And then on the last of the code, the last line of code, I want to reset the tail timer to its own timer. So we want to spawn the tail is instant create, want to create layer. So what we got here is x and y coordinate on here. X and y coordinate, we want to set the coordinate to the player. So O player dot x, and then O player dot y. And then on the layer ID, you want to make it on the instance layer, or if you want, you can create a new layer. Click on new instance layer, and then rename it to trails, and then I will rename this to player. So we want the trail to be under the player. Okay, then just on the code, we want the trails to be spawned on the trails layer, trails, and then for the last is object or trails on here. Then let's test this. Every time the trails will be spawned, but we want faster. We want the trails to be disappear faster. So I want to change the old trails to 0.05, I think. Press F5, and then we can see here the trails is spawned at the player position and then disappear. Okay, thanks for watching.